Hello, today we're going to take a look at the live view feature within QxControl. You can see here we are using a browser-based interface that's very easy to use. On the left-hand side here you can see the navigation toolbar. This is how we move through the different application areas within QxControl. You can also click on the hamburger icon to hide or expose that toolbar. We also have the cloud status indicator here. Moving to the top right, we do have the Places button, and this is how we choose our scope, essentially the sites or areas that we would like to focus on. We also have our user icon. If you click on that, you can choose any user-related settings, see the latest release notes, or you can do a forced sign-out. To the right of that is our user tray, and we have 3 tabs within that. First we have our resources. These are the cameras, the door widgets, and data widgets that are available to be used in live. We also have layouts, so these are the predefined layouts that we can drop resources into. We also have our views, and these are layouts that we've created and then we have saved and labeled as views. So starting with resources, you can see currently we're looking at a 3x3, so we have 9 cameras displayed. If I'd like to add a new camera, very easy to do. I drag and drop from the resources tab, and you can see it easily drops right into the live view. Also, as I mentioned, we have door widgets, for example, so I could drop in the most recently updated doors, and I can actually operate the doors from this view. We also have recent events, so as events populate, these can be dropped in and viewed as a data widget, and many more. So if we have created a new view that we would like to save, we have the floating action button in the bottom right, so all of our available actions are accessible there. This is also very easy to use on a mobile device. If I like the view that I've created, again, I can assign the scope of where this view is available, and then I just simply give it a name. Once I've done that, I tell it OK, and if we go to views, we will see that that view we created is there and available in the Views tab. So again, now looking at layouts, so currently we're in a 3x3 looking at 9 individual boxes, so we can change this to a 2x2. So this gives us the first 4 resources that were already populated. So these are the first 4 cameras that we were looking at automatically appear. And again, very easy to drag and drop any new resources into the view that we would like. Now going to views, these are the saved views that we have created. We'll pull in this view here. So as you can see, this view is giving us the most recent events. And also we can drop in individual door widgets, and we can control these doors through the live view. So again, I can click on the padlock to momentarily or pulse unlock. I also have the ability to lock or unlock indefinitely, and then I can revert back to the door schedule, as well as I can do an emergency lockdown of each of these individual doors. So as you can see, live is very easy to use in QxControl. It also gives the ability not just to look at live cameras, but we can look at system data, and we can also operate the doors as well.